Hello everyone, how are you? Today's topic is essay on my hobby gardening in English. Please do subscribe my channel. Hobbies play an important role in our life. They keep us busy in our free time and make life happy and enjoyable. Hobbies give us pleasure. Our hobby keeps us motivated. We all have different hobbies like reading, dancing, singing, playing, gardening, cooking, traveling, etc. My hobby is gardening. I am very fond of gardening since childhood. Gardening keeps me happy and busy. Trees and plants are very important of our survival. There is a garden in our house where we have planted many beautiful plants in the garden. I have grown flower plants like rose, mogra, marigold, guldaudi, jasmine, hibiscus, sunflower and many more in which very beautiful flowers bloom. There, I have also grown some vegetable plants like potato, coriander, tomato, mint, ladyfinger, brinjal and chili. I have also grown banana tree, ashok tree, guava tree, belpatra tree, tulsi and aloe vera plant. In my garden, I water all the plants and trees in morning and evening. I keep applying fertilizer to them. I also keep doing proper cutting of trees and plants from time to time. I also clean my garden. My garden looks very beautiful with colorful flowers and trees. The fragrance of flowers in the garden makes the atmosphere fragrant and we also get pure air. Gardening keeps me cheerful. It is a calm place. I love my hobby gardening very much. Thanks for watching.